Look at the mischievous behavior of this bird. The bird wants to play with its friend, the cat. However, the cat is already exhausted and chooses to sleep. Yet the bird insists on waking it up, to the point where the cat gets annoyed. Since the cat is kind, it agrees to the bird's invitation, even though it's still sleepy. What a naughty bird, right?
If you were the cat, what would you do?